is.
Hey guys, Brony General here, back with another video. Today, I have the ultimate gent guitar. Now, I know it doesn't look like much, but listen to this.
Let's be real for a second here. You see
Of
how
course.
it's flopping around in the front? That's fine.
Let me pause my video, and you're not genting right until you can't even hear the guitar. You just hear clatter from the strings hitting stuff. But no, seriously, in all actuality, what I'm doing is I was using this guitar as a makeshift bass for a while. And so now I'm restringing it back to stock config because I'm getting rid of this guitar, actually, in all actuality. Now, as much as I do like this guitar, its action is too high, and I really was looking to get a new acoustic. Excuse me, I have some kind of ailment. Not even sure what it is at this point. All I know is that my throat hurts. Ow. I've been coughing up Satan for a while. At least that's what it feels like. And I don't know, I think it's strep throat, and it's just a really mild case, but I don't know. Yes, I'm getting rid of this acoustic guitar, as well as the one that Chevy R. Felix gave to me. As much as I like that guitar, it has a bent truss rod, the frets are dead, so I can't really fix that. It costs a lot of money to fix that kind of stuff. So I just kind of have to go screw it on that. Okay. Put the strings back in place, and I need to add the last string that I took off. And one string broke on me, so I don't have that string anymore. Oh, whatever. Okay, out. Doesn't really need to be in tune or anything. I'm just going to be taking it down to Guitar Center. And as long as they offer me more than like 10 bucks for it, it's gone. They do offer me like 10 bucks for it, and I'll be like, I'll be more like, screw you, I'll just sell it somewhere else. But hopefully that doesn't happen, because I'm not very good at like local selling things, especially on like Craigslist and stuff. I mean, I'm okay at it, but I don't know, I'm just, if you know me in real life, I'm not that outgoing of a person. And like, I can be rowdy and loud, but I'm not good at talking to people. So I'm talking to you guys over a camera, because I'm not talking to people, I'm talking to a camera. People are just watching me talk to a camera. Oh my god. So bad. I guess I can tune it. I'm going to try to ear tune it, and then I'm going to see how bad I did. What do you guys think about acoustic guitars? I really like them. I play electric more, but that has more to do with the style of music that I'm into, rather than just the sound of them. Alright, now let's see how far off from reality I am with this. If I could find my phone, which is in the other room. So let me pause the video. Okay, I got my phone here. And I'm going to open up the Guitar Tuner app. And I'll see how far from reality my tuning skills are right now. I feel like they're going to be way off. Not by too much, but about, a little bit. So that means everything's off by about 30. What that measurement is, I don't know, but it's 30. Maybe off by like 30 hertz or something. Yeah, I don't know what this app measures in. All I know is it helps me tune my guitar right. So, I use it. And yes, I do have a clip-on chromatic tuner, but I believe it's not accurate because I don't know. I've tried tuning with it, and it just like my guitar ends up not sounding right. Okay, why not play some stuff here? Wait. I used to be able to do that perfectly. I don't know what happened. Yeah, so I'm going to be trading in this guitar, this 1975 Huntington, or it's probably not from 75, I think it's from like the 90s or maybe the 80s, and this no brand guitar. This one I actually imagine is going to be worth a bit of money. I've seen guitars similar to it at Guitar Center, and they're usually pretty valuable. So I'm going to pause the video and trim the strings on that one, actually. Okay, found them. I know it's a bit heavy duty just for trimming guitar strings and nylon ones at that, but guitar strings can be a pain. So I just decided not to really deal with them with little tin snips or anything. Nope, you go for the heavy duty, like fence cutters. Something like that. Okay, this string is. It's out of tune, I know. But again, that's going to be Guitar Center's problem in a while. If I get to go today, I don't know. I'm still sick, but at the same time, it's a sickness I can deal with. I don't really feel that bad. I'm just afraid it's contagious, so I'm staying home from school. But, whoa. Dropped you guys there, sorry. But with that being done, why not just make the video a little longer? Been using this to actually record stuff. This monitor with its mic. I'll let my laptop boot up here. Found this in in Richard's grandfather's house. So that's cool. He let me keep it. As well as found these Metallica VHSs. I don't know if I've shown these on camera before. I think I have. But puppy, everybody's gone from the house now, so I kind of have it to myself for a while. Hi Gizmo. Hi Gizmo. Hey Gizmo. My room in here. An album stacked up on my computer. Oh yeah, I put a subwoofer under here, so it's plugged in. Why don't I show you a little test of that? Let's see, what's a metal song I know? Has a lot of bass. Pretty sure Whiplash has plenty. So let me just turn it on. Okay, so this is going to be loud, but you'll be able to see the subwoofer. Yeah, I wish you guys were here to experience that kind of bass. It may not be that big a subwoofer, but it offers a lot of power. It packs. Especially with it being in a very good box. It's just really nice. A really good cab. I guess that's all I really wanted to show in this video. And with that, I bid you adieu.